Hello everyone, welcome to Sources Classes. So in this video we have a very interesting question topic for you. The question that we'll be discussing is a verbal ability section or the English section as you call it. And the question that we'll be focusing ourselves on as far as this video is concerned is of parajumbles. Okay. So these are the kind of questions that are quite frequently asked in examination like your GMAT and GRE. So and especially in GMAT, these form a key component of your VA or the verbal ability section as well in apart from the reading comprehensions. So this also form a very important factor and it's quite important to understand how to go about solving this kind of questions. So in this video we have taken up a particular question from the same parajumbles and we'll try and solve the same so that whenever we come across a question such as this we are easily able to solve them. Okay, so now having said that, let us just focus on the question at hand. So we have been given four sentences and we are supposed to form this into a coherent paragraph in this regards. Okay, let's take a look. However, any student who attend core psychology lectures and tutorials have and does assign reading should have no difficulty in statistics. So option A, it starts with however. So that means it is contradicting something. Okay, it is contradicting something and it shouldn't essentially start a sentence. Okay, so we'll see. This causes option the sentence B, this causes anxiety among new students. So this, what is this referring to? Okay, we don't know. So again we are not sure where this will be formed. Option C, or sentence C, my bad. Most important thing is to avoid developing a fear of the subject in advance. Okay, so this seems like a conclusion. Okay, basically a problem has been addressed, that is developing fear. Okay, a developing fear. So and what is it been talking about and how to avoid that fear is avoiding fear in the advanced subjects. Okay, so C is most probably a conclusion. Now let's go to D. Statistics is a widely used statistics is widely used in psychology and courses in psychology are a part of every psychological degree. Okay, okay, so statistics is widely used in psychology and courses in statistics are a part of every psychology degree. Yes, D can start a sentence. Yes, because D is basically nothing but introduction. Okay, it is introducing statistics as a subject in psychology degree. Okay, now let's try and form a pair. So we have D as a start and C as a conclusion. Now let's see. Let's go with B. This particular this can be referred to statistics. Okay, that makes sense. B and finally A. So our answer will be DVAC or option 2. Okay, so I hope this approach towards solving the same is clear. All we needed was find the intro, the conclusion and the pair. Okay, where DA being a pair and then A basically fits in this regards. So if you have any doubt, just go through the video and try to understand the same thing as in how we came about with the conclusion of the same. I don't think you should face much of an issue in this regards. Okay. So having said that, if you are looking for detailed solution of the entire paper, be it your VA section, RC, VA section, QA section or the logical reasoning section, feel free to connect with us and we'll be more than happy to help you out in all these regards. Okay. Now, if you like the video, make sure you like, share and subscribe to the channel so we can keep coming up with relevant content such as this further down the line. Having said that, I'll be signing out. Thank you so much.